The one ingredient that upgrades your cooking overnight, Iberico pork, brings this Cuban sandwich over the top. Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede Barbecue. Today we're making a Mojo Iberico Cuban Sandwich with Iberico flank steak from Campo Grande. The first thing that we need to do is marinate the flank steak, so let's get started with that. Gonna unpack the package and we have a beautiful 1.2 Iberico flank steak from Campo Grande. The only thing we want to do with this is remove some of the silver skin and some of the excess fat. And look at the intramuscular marbling. Then we want to place it in a vacuum sealed bag with some Chef Merito Mojo Marinade. Then we're going to vacuum seal this and let it sit for 4 to 5 hours. It's been about 5 hours, so now it's time to start cooking the Cuban sandwiches. We're gonna remove the flank steak from the vacuum bags. We wanna pat them dry. Then we're gonna place the ridged cast iron pan on our burner. We wanna add fat, we're using duck fat. And then we're gonna grill the Iberico flank steaks. After about 2 minutes, we're gonna flip them over. Then we're gonna continue cooking them until they have an inner temperature of about 130 degrees. And then we can do the same thing with the other flank steak piece. 2 minutes, one side, flip it over, 2 minutes, the other side. When ready, remove from the pan, set aside. We're gonna cut the baguette into sections, and then we wanna slice them into halves. We're gonna spread some Dijon mustard on the slices. Then we're gonna add slices of jamon Iberico. We're gonna slice a little bit of Swiss cheese and add to the bread as well. Next, we're gonna add some dill pickles. Then it's time to add the flank steak, and I like to trim it so it fits the bread. You also wanna place it so when you bite it, you bite against the grain. We're gonna brush some mayo on top of the bread. We wanna place it on the cast iron, mayo side down. We're gonna press down with a burger press. Now we wanna cook this for 60 to 90 seconds. We're gonna add some mayo to this side too. And then we're gonna flip it over, press down, and cook until the cheese starts melting. Let's cut it into half, and then these beautiful Cuban-inspired sandwiches are ready to serve. And that is how I make my Mojo Iberico Cuban sandwich. Let's try it and see what it tastes like. Packed with flavors, the flank steak is amazing. I really hope you try this at home. Happy grilling.